Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe and sound at your homes. This is your Geo book and I am your Geo teacher. This is your first Geo video for the month of June, and the topic which we are going to discuss today is Christianity. Our today's topic is Christianity. Do you know what is Christianity? It is one of the major religion of the world. Major religion? Do you know what is meant by religion? The service and worship of God or gods with devotion to a faith or a belief is called religion. What is a religion? The service and worship of God or gods. खुदा की इबादत करना, उसको पूजना. With devotion to a faith or a belief is called religion, जिसको उर्दू में हम कहते हैं मज़हब. Now we know that there are many people in the world who belong from different religions. Here we have a table. In this table, in first column we have the names of different religions. In second column we have the names of their holy books. Then in third column we have the name of their worship places. Worship means इबादत करना, पूजना, वो जगह जहाँ पर ये लोग जाकर इबादत करते हैं. एंड इन लास्ट कॉलम वी हैव द नेम्स ऑफ देयर फॉलोअर्स. फॉलोअर्स मीन्स मानने वाले. नाउ इस्लाम, द होली बुक ऑफ इस्लाम इज़ कुरान. The place of worship is mosque or masjid and the followers are Muslims. Then Islam, which we have discussed. After Islam, the second is Christianity. The holy book of Christianity is Bible. The place of worship is church and its followers are known as Christians. Then Judaism, its holy book is Torah. Its place of worship is synagogue and followers are Jews. Then the next religion is Hinduism. Its holy book is Gita. Its worship place is mandir or temple and the followers of Hinduism are known as Hindus. The next religion is Buddhism. Buddhism have no holy book. The worship place is temple or pagoda and its followers are known as Buddhist. Then the religion is Sikhism. The holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Their worship place is Gurdwara and the followers of Sikhism are known as Sikhs. Then the next religion is Zoroastrianism. It has no holy book. The place of worship is Five Temple and their followers are known as Parsis. Then the next is Shinto. Shinto has no holy book. Their worship place is shrine and the followers are also known as Shinto. Now as you people seen that only the religion Christianity, the holy book of Christianity, the worship place of Christianity and the followers of Christianity are highlighted. Why only Christianity is highlighted? Because our today's topic is Christianity. As I have told you that our today's topic is Christianity. We have discussed that there are many religions in the world. We have discussed different religions with their holy books, with the names of their worship place and their followers. Out of all those religions, the religion which we are going to discuss today is Christianity. Religion Christianity. It is a major religion followed by 1/3 world's population. Its founder was Jesus, Hazrat Isa. Its followers are known as Christians. The holy book of Christianity is Bible. The worship place is church. There are three major sects of Christianity. Three major sects of Christianity are Catholic, Protestant, and Orthodox. Catholic, Protestant, and Orthodox. These three are the major sects of Christianity, and Christianity is that religion which is followed by 1/3 world's population. That's why we say that Christianity is one of the main or major religion of the world. Or we can also say that Christianity is the first largest religion of the world. This is the picture of church. What is church? It is the place of worship of Christians. Christians are the people who go to church for their worship. So we can say that church is the worship place of Christian, or those people who belong from Christianity, their worship place is church. This is the picture of church. Now we are going to do reading of the topic Christianity. The topic Christianity is on page number 71 of our Geo book. Christianity. It is a major religion followed by 1/3 population of the world. It is practiced mostly in Europe, Australia, North and South America. But countries in Africa and Asia also have a proportion of Christians. It means that all over the world we find Christians. Mostly the people of Europe, Australia, North and South America are having Christianity religion. But it doesn't mean that the people of Africa and Asia are not Christians. There are many people in Africa and Asia which are also having the Christianity religion. We find Christians in Africa and Asia both, but majority Christians are in Europe, Australia, North and South America. The founder of Christianity was Jesus, Hazrat Isa. He was a teacher and a healer who lived over 2000 years ago in Palestine. His life, death and resurrection is the basis of belief of 1/3 of world's population. Their holy book is called Bible and worship place is called church. They are subdivided into three major sects: Catholic, Protestant, Orthodox. The three major sects of Christianity are Catholic, Protestant and Orthodox. The founder of Christianity is Hazrat Isa. Their holy book is Bible. The place of worship where Christians go is church. Christianity is one of the major religion of the world. It is the first largest religion of the world. It is subdivided into three major sects, and the three major sects are Catholic, Protestant and Orthodox. Now look at these pictures. It is a picture of a church where Christians are praying, जहाँ पे Christians दुआ मांग रहे हैं, इबादत कर रहे हैं. This is a grand church which is in Rome, Italy. This is a picture of a church in Europe. What is church? A church is a worship place of Christians. Now this is the end of our today's topic, which is Christianity. I hope you people understand about your topic Christianity. You people understand about its founder, its holy book, its worship place and the three different sects in which Christianity is divided. Inshallah, we will start the new topic, the new continent in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.